So the Applied Stats and Data Mining MSc is really for people coming from a general STEM background who haven't necessarily done maths or stats in their undergrad, but they have done a lot of courses and modules that include maths and stats. So all sorts of backgrounds from psychology and management and engineering, all these sorts of backgrounds coming in, and they now want to specialise in sort of data analysis and learn how to apply statistics. So all the modules we take on this, they're all very applied modules, concentrating more on how to do data analysis. And it assumes people come in with very little computing and programming knowledge, and we really get up to speed in that and then use that to apply all our statistical techniques and machine learning techniques as well. So we have machine learning modules, which I teach and I really enjoy. So they're what I think are the favourite modules, but all of them are very applied. So we're not talking getting deep into the theory. It's very much, here's some data, here is how we analyse it, and it's very hands-on. There's a lot of programming on the computer to actually analyse this data and get the results. And so yeah, it all feels very much real-world data. Here in Stats we have all these MSCs, but once you get here, a lot of the modules are shared, so you've got lots of people who are doing the same modules, so everyone sees each other and makes friends. It's also a lovely small place. It is St Andrews. It's a small town and the departments are relatively small, so it's easy to meet people and make friends. It's also a beautiful place.